Hey friends, Ivan here with a little product review, a product introduction. It's a new item. I was given a sample. I want to make sure you are aware of it and that you know about it. Not really an unboxing. It didn't come in a box. It's in its own little handy tray. But this is eazy clipz. If you haven't seen it yet, you probably are going to start to see it pretty soon at shows and events, at dealers and distributors, and online. Eazy clipz. And what it says here, numbers 0, 1, 1.5, 2, and 3, specifically the short sizes related to fading. Their mission is what drives them to push modern barber to their highest potential. We did that by engineering groundbreaking universal guards that will allow you to fade cleaner and cut faster. Pretty simple mission. Make a better guard. Did they do it? Let's find out. We open it up. Kind of a bright blue aqua color packed in what would be a dispenser tray that can be set right out as it is. 3, 2, 1.5, 1, and size 0. And I've got a loose one right here. This one is their 0 guard, 1.5 millimeters, 1/16 of an inch. And what they've got is a pair of magnets. They're attempting to offer, I don't know if they've done it, a true universal magnetic guard. You'll notice that the guard gets a little wider at the base, and you'll notice at the back latch end is a step-down design designed to accommodate blades of differing heel length. So I've got my JRL 2020. You know, I have a relationship with the brand. I love the product. I represent JRL at all my shows and events, and I exclusively use JRL tools. If it's universal, it's going to fit, because universal means fits everything. And I'm of a generation when universal guards kind of tried to fit everything but didn't fit everything. Are we there yet? Let's find out. This is the 0. Teeth in, drop down. Nice clean click. Those magnets grab tight. There's not a lot of shuffle. There's just a tiny little bit of movement in there, but not enough to inhibit what we're going to be cutting. Now, you can't really see this, but the JRL blade is slightly shorter, so it sits against those inside edge, that inside edge, as opposed to sitting against the back edge. Specifically designed to accommodate more than one sized clipper blade, hence the claim that it's going to be universal. Now, truth be told, I used these yesterday on my JRL 2020 to cut this haircut, to fade up this haircut. I used and it's, you know, the top of mine's cut with an 8, but the back and sides are tapered up off of a 3 to blend into an 8 at the curve of the head. So this setup was perfect for me. There was nothing missing from this box in order for me to fade up the sides of my hair, and all the way got it down to that 0 through the back and sides. So the verdict, are they truly universal? I don't know. I haven't tested them on a wide range of clippers because Michael Jordan doesn't wear Reeboks. Ivan doesn't cut with anything except a JRL. I can tell you they fit the JRL extremely well. So if you know that blade shape and design, and you know what other clippers and tools accommodate that size blade, you'll know if it's going to fit your clipper. Now, when you see this drop down, what they did is they moved the magnets out to the corners. That's why those corner edges come wider, in order to be sure, to ensure they clear the screw heads on the blade heel. But that's got nice solid contact. The grip, the magnet's sufficiently strong for sure. These are eazy clipz. You can find them on social media, on Instagram, eazy clipz. So let's make sure we get their spelling right. They provided me with the universal guard set. Thank you for the sample. I'm providing you with a little information on what I think about that sample. Check them out. They just might be perfect for your clipper. If they're universal, they're going to be perfect for every clipper. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.